everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kelsie. I'm the blogger behind KelsieChristine.com. I do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle posts, and I also have this YouTube channel. So if you are new, welcome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a video. Today I wanted to share with you guys a bunch of new products that I'm trying out. I did this full face with mostly new products, so I'm excited to share those with you guys. So if you want to see what I'm trying out, go ahead and keep watching. Okay guys, we're jumping right into this look. We're going to start out by using the Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I really like this stuff. It really smooths and it actually does make your skin feel like velvet. It is really nice. This is something new I got recently. Then we're going to try the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. This stuff looks a little yellow when I put it on, but as you'll see, I do make it work. I am using the Morphe M439 brush for this. Obviously, I'm speeding it up because no one wants to sit here and watch me put on foundation for 20 minutes. Then moving on to this newbie, I am absolutely obsessed. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Concealer. You know I love my Estee Lauder foundation, so this actually is super comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape. I may even like it better, which is crazy to me. And we're just going to blend that all out with my Morphe sponge here. Then to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using the RCMA No Color Powder. It kind of makes a mess, but I do like to use this brush, which is just from BH Cosmetics, to dip it in the lid of the powder and then just place it all over. And for bronzer, we're going to mix all three shades here from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. This is the medium / light. And we're going to just carve out our face a little bit. Not so much contouring, but just kind of warming that up, giving it that spring kind of glow. And you don't want to forget the chin. It definitely helps kind of give a little more shape to that jawline. Alright, and next up, I saw Jacqueline Hale doing this, so I'm going to try this for a highlight today. This is the Jacqueline Hale palette with Morphe, and this is mixing the two shades in Light and Beam from that palette, and I actually really like it. It's not as strong of a highlight as I've seen with other highlighters, but I mean, they are eyeshadows, so yeah, I definitely like it. Then we're going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Blush. It's in the Natural Glow shade. And I'm trying this out for the first time. It doesn't really give too much color. It's a very, very light pink. But if you do kind of pack it on there a little bit, you'll get some nice color out of it. Alright, now we're trying the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Waterproof Brow Gel. This is definitely new to me, and I've been wanting to try it. I'm actually using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Brush for this. And I actually got it in the shade Blonde just because it still looked pretty dark. I feel like if I mixed Blonde and maybe the Soft Brown, I think is what the other color is, the next shade up I should say. I think if I mixed both of those it would be really nice, but I still like the color that this gives. It's not too dark. Now, as for staying on for up to 2 days, as it says, it definitely comes off with makeup remover super easily. Not easily as in the sense of like touching it. When I touch it, literally it does not move. But it does come off with makeup remover, so it doesn't last on your skin. It doesn't stay stuck on your skin, which some people I feel like could be scared of trying it because of that, and definitely not a problem. And we're just going to speed up the rest of this because you guys have seen me do this before. Now we're moving on to this new palette. It's the Meet Matchmaker palette from the Balm. I actually won this from Jasmine. You guys all know Jasmine from my blog and YouTube. From Jasmine's giveaway that she was hosting on her blog, and I am obsessed with the palette. I started out with just a neutral shade in the crease, and then now I'm going in with this mauve brown shade in the outer corner. Just doing a quick spring bright kind of look. I feel like mauve tones are always good any time of the year though. And then we're going to use this pink shimmer shade. and we're going to pack that on the lid. I actually decided to then go in and do a cut crease with some concealer because I really wanted that color to pop and be nice and bright. And you guys have seen me do this before, but I just take concealer and place it on the lid and look upwards, and then that kind of gives me my guide for placing the concealer. Then I'm going in with that color and really packing it on there. No rubbing or anything, just really pack, except for where you want to obviously blend. But then I'm mixing these two shades. It is like a shimmer purple shade with a deep brown, and I'm using that in the outer corner to kind of create a wing without liner. We're not going to actually do any liquid liner or gel liner today. We're just going to use this. I did this in my last video, my day to night makeup look, which this look is super similar to that, but this is obviously using a bunch more new products. That one I did use a new product as well, but this one was actually filmed before that look, so if you guys want to check that out, you can. Now here I'm just blending all that out to kind of make it a little more smoked out and not such a harsh line. Then we're going to go in with lashes. These are my Ardell Demi Wispies. I love these. And lashes are on. Then we're going to use mascara with the MAC Falsies mascara here. I love it. It is super dark and blends our falsies nicely, and I love it for the bottom lash line as well. Then we're going to go in with the Ish Lip Statement Palette. I got this in my FabFitFun box, and I did an unboxing as well, so I will link that here and down below for you guys. And this is Alexandria Garza's collab with FabFitFun and Ish, and she decided to share this ombre lip on her YouTube channel, and I am trying out the lip. She used lip liner, but I'm actually using this to just line it, which she did as well, but she also went the extra step and had the lip liner. I'm just using the palette alone. So I'm using this pink shade here and lining the lips with it. Then we're going to go in with this more mauve nude, which I've actually been loving, and we're going to kind of not mix them, but I'm going to go more towards the center and then kind of blend them together. Not quite mixing, you want to leave that darker pink on the outside, but you can see the pigment this has. It has tons of pigment and the color payoff is really good. And voila, the ombre lip is done. Then we're going to set this face using this Pixie Glow Mist. I've actually never used this before, but I actually really liked it. It gives a nice glow to the skin without it feeling oily or cakey or anything. So yeah, this is the final look for my spring makeup look and trying out new products. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!